Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about how to activate Windows 11 in your PC or laptop. If your Windows 11 is not activated, you can complete the activation process quickly and easily. Click on the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen and find the setting icon. Once you find the setting icon, you have to click on it. Alternatively, in the search bar you can type setting and open it from here. In the setting window, select System from the left-hand panel. Then scroll down and click on Activation. You can see there are a lot of labels, but you have to find Activation label. When you find Activation label, click on it and a new pop-up window will appear. Here you will see the current activation status of your window. In my case, it is showing active and marked as green. It means that my window is activated right now. If it is not activated, click on the Change Product key to enter a valid Windows 11 product key or sign in with your Microsoft account if you have a digital license linked to it. Here you have to enter your product key and the window will verify it, and later on your window will be activated. Follow on-screen instructions to finish the process and make sure to activate Windows 11 to unlock all features and ensure proper use of Microsoft products. That's all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends.